Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. It's Saturday morning. It's a rainy day. You can see it's all muggy out here. Nothing on the ground, so we know it ain't raining right now. So we're gonna just take a look at the birds. You see they're in their little fly pen. I fed them yesterday. I did a little bit of changing. I moved my little storage space right there. Well, the little storage cabinet. And I got me a new cabinet, which my wife told me she wanted all the stuff out of the backyard where you can see it, and we just put it in a. So I got me this that I'm gonna use for putting all the feed in. Look at my. I gotta clean those up. Cause remember, it's no more breeding on Ham's Loft. It's it. Whatever eggs they got, they got. So let's go ahead and. I know they're ready to come out, so see about getting them out. Ramadan Mubarak. Gonna hook this up right quick. Gonna go out here and see if I can let them out. Take me a minute to get it off. Normally, let's see what happens. Well, we can see that took a few minutes to get them all riled up and trying to get out. Normally, they've been coming right out. That's what we want. We want them to start flying out. Of course, I will open the door, but they normally have just been flying right out. So we're gonna see. They're sitting on top of the roof. Some of them are flying around. We're gonna get better on this flying out stuff. Would you show? I would show some of them flying around, but I don't want this video to be long, so I'm gonna pause it to see if we can get some more out. I ain't chasing nobody out though. I think I got a total of. Let me check to be for sure. Okay, I got a total of 56 birds, I think. I think it's 56 birds in there. I think I got my favorite bird. He's in there. Trying to just get more of them out, but we'll see what happens. Just take a look what's on the roof, which is really fine. I don't know how many up there, but the whole goal is to get as many out as we can. Some of the newer birds right there flapping their wings. They've probably been out one time, but we're gonna leave them out. And we got a total of about 45 birds out. Because we got a few flying around doing whatever they want to do. But this is just me letting them out. The only other thing I did is that I got a pair in there. I got a Trenton in there, a young Trenton in there. And I got an old Mexican cockbird in there. I floated their eggs to another pair, and I'm just letting them lay another set. Now, they might not be able to fly this year, but they're gonna get trained and they're gonna go with just the rest of the birds, and as time go on. So they might not make no races, but we're gonna see what they got going on. Cause I am gonna breed that Trenton right there. She's a young hen, and I got a Trenton that's in there, a cock. I tried to pair them up earlier, and the hen wasn't trying to hear it. So let's see what we can do. Trying to get this back to normal. Back to where it was. All right, folks, this is gonna be the video for today. Young birds out. They ain't really doing no flying, but they are out. I probably got maybe about 15 still in there. You can see them in there loafing off. Don't want to do nothing. Got one. We'll just take a look. Okay. All of them got pink bands. You can see their ankle. Those are the last ones that was put in. That's a green band right there. That's my favorite bird right there. I don't know, he's crazy. All right. Comment, subscribe. Do what you do. Peace. Shout out to all the flyers. Thank you for watching the channel. Peace.